Pipeline project. This is the project built using Django and Docker to migrate data from a legacy system into a new database structure. It includes data seeding, migration comments, database models, and containerized deployment. Let me walk you through the complete folder structure and important files. First, let's look at the root level files. First, we open the .env file. Here it contains the environment variables used during deployment. Next we can see the .env.example. It provides sample environment variables for project setup. Next we can see the git ignore. In this file it specifies the files and folder that should not be tracked by git. And next we can see the requirements.txt file. It lists all Python dependencies required by the project. And next we can see the Docker file. It defines how the application Docker image is built. Next, we can see the Docker compose.yml file. It used to run the applications and database services together. We can see the manage.py file. It maintains the main Django management file used to run commands migrations on the development server. Next, we can see the benchmark.md file. It contains migration benchmark results and performance observations. These are the root files. Here readme.md is also a root file, but we can see in the last in this video. Next we can see the migration applications. Now moving to the migration app folder which contains the core migration logic apps.py. Here it registered the migration applications with Django. Next we can see the models.py. In this file, it defines database models used in the new system. Next, we can see the init.py. It marks the folder as a Python package. Next, we can see the migration initial file. It contains the initial database schema migrations and initialize the migration packages and generates and inserts the sample legacy data into the database for testing. And the main migration script that transfers order data from the legacy format into the new schema. It initializes the common It initializes the command packages, initialize the management module. Next, now let's look at the migration project folder. Migration project folder. It contains the project configuration, including database settings, installed app, and environment variables. Here we can see the urls.py file. It defines the application URL routing. In wsgi.py file, it provides the WSGI entry point used for deployment. And init.py, it initializes the Django project package. To summarize, the data migration pipeline projects includes environment configuration using .env files, Dockerized deployment with Docker and Docker Compose, Django models and migrations, legacy data seeding, automated order migration commands, project configuration and routing. This structure makes the migration process reliable, scalable, and easy to maintain. Thank you for watching my project demo.